I'm looking to rewire my Carrier Infinity system to legacy mode so that I can install my Nest. Based on the pictures on this article, https://www.justanswer.com/HVAC/A18 or trying rewire motherboard Carrier Infinity.html, mine is slightly different wiring for what is sent to the thermostat. I only have 5 wires total to utilize. Can I make this work with only 5 wires?
Just to clarify, do you think this is a larger HVAC problem, or something specific to the thermostat?
Specific to the thermostat.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No.
Give me the model on your indoor furnace/air handler and outdoor unit. If straight cooled and single stage you might, but if heat pump or 2-stage compressor we will need at least 6 to 8 wires. You may be presented an offer for a phone call for an additional fee. Please ignore offer for phone call as I am unable to take a call right now, but we can work here as long as needed. The offer is automatically site generated.
My current thermostat is the JustAnswer-Q&A. My furnace is the 58 CVX110, 13120 air conditioner 24 ANA 760 A300. Going from the thermostat to the circuit board are 5 wires, and the same for the wires going to the outdoor unit.
Looking it over now. Do you have a wire to Y2?
No, only ABCD currently.
That's right. I should know that. The thing is, we have to figure if your outdoor is a single stage or 2-stage compressor. If single stage, 5 wires is plenty. If 2-stage, we need 6 from thermostat to furnace. See below. Just looked it up and your outdoor is a 2-stage, so we need 6 wires from thermostat to furnace and 4 from furnace to outside as shown in link I sent. Let me know if you have further questions. Thanks for allowing me to work with you. Bonus always appreciated, as this is how I earn my living. After rating, feel free to follow up for next 30 days at no additional fee. Thanks again.
Here are some pictures of the current setup as well.
You will get rid of the ABCD and use the conventional R, G, W, Y1, Y2 and C terminals.
Okay, thanks for the help. Just to confirm, I'll need to buy some new 6-wire wire. I then connect the 6 wires on the Nest to R, G, W, Y1, Y2, and C. I have the same wires connect from the Nest to the furnace. On the wire that is going to the AC unit, only connect the wires to Y1, Y2, R, and C on the furnace and AC unit. Is that all correct? Do I need to do anything with the dip switches on the furnace? Is there any specific type of wire I should get, or is there standard HVAC wire? Thanks. How do I wire for the safety switch?
Break the red wire between thermostat and furnace unit and safety switch that will kill power to thermostat so it does not let AC keep making water.
I'm not sure if I fully understand. I've included pictures of how I wired everything up. Please review and let me know if I need to do anything else before turning everything on. Do I need to modify any of the dip switches on the furnace or keep them as is?
Verify the one on left in picture is to outside unit. If so, all looks good.
That is correct. In the other post, it looks like the tech told the guy to modify dip switches and jumpers. Do I need to do that as well? I noticed that both the AC and furnace have a W1 terminal. Should I connect these two as well? That would use up all available wires.
You do not need it at AC checking on dip switches now. I don't see anything different about dip switches so far. I am about to leave for 12 days, so will not be in office for a bit. Here is a copy of the furnace manual if you have any issues with it not working with dip switches as they are. https://dms.hvic.partners.com/docs/1009/public/0e/58cv3c.pdf. Let me know if you have further questions. Thanks for allowing me to work with you. Bonus always appreciated, as this is how I earn my living. After rating, feel free to follow up for next 30 days at no additional fee. Thanks again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.